Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another limited edition unboxing to share with you, and it is the Wellness Box by M&S, Marks and Spencer's. This box is unfortunately sold out online, but they still have stock available in their stores. It costs £25 and it has a value of £85. I'll pop a link down in my description, as you never know, they might release more boxes through their website, but if not, you can click to find out if your local store has some available. I'm sure you can anyway. I'm sure when I had a look at it earlier on, you were able to do that. And as well as information about this box, you'll find discount codes, giveaways, freebies, anything related to what I do all over my social media channels, all down below in the description. So you're welcome to take a look. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside. Give you a sneak peek first. There's no card, so we're just going to go through it, grabbing an item as we go along. First up, we've got This Works. This is a Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. And there's 50 mils here. You're supposed to massage it into your hands and body and then breathe it in, and it's supposed to help you relax. But if you want to find out more in-depth information about these products that can be bought individually from the M&S website or in store, check them out that way. But yeah, so we've got a relaxation body cream there. Neal's Yard Remedy. This is a gorgeous brand. The packaging is stunning. It is really beautiful. Gorgeous blue glass bottles. This is from the Woman's Balance range, and it's a foam and bath to harmonise body and mind. Relax with a balancing blend of rose absolute, geranium and frankincense essential oils, and there's 100 mils there. Yeah, this is gorgeous. I received an advent calendar off them, I think it was last year and the year before, maybe, I can't remember. So I've used quite a few of their products, and oh, it is so luxurious. I would love to go to their London store. It looks so pretty on Instagram, the little street. But yeah, anyway, you got a bubble bath there. Then from one of my favourite brands, this is NEOM Organics London Perfect Night Sleep Pillow Mist with English lavender, chamomile and patchouli. This is from the Scent to Sleep range, and there's 30 mils here. I've already got one of these. I might actually have it in a little shelf behind me. Yeah, it's nice. There's that. Next, we got a hand cream by L'Occitane. It says, with protected designation of origin, lavender essential oil from Haute Provence, and there's 30 mils here. If you love lavender, then yeah, this box is definitely looking like it's one for you. But if you don't, then there's a few products here that contain it. Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, that's lovely. Yeah, I really like that. Then we got another product from This Works. This is a Deep Sleep Overnight Cream. Works hard whilst you sleep to future-proof your skin with ceramides. And there's 20 mils there. So I think that's a body cream. I'm sure of it, but we've got, that's a body cream, but this contains ceramides. So would it be a moisturiser? It says, enjoy the experience of inhaling the deep sleep fragrance whilst gently massaging into the skin for 30 seconds. For optimum benefits, use alongside Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Yeah, Deep Sleep Body Cocoon Overnight Cream. I'm going to have to look into this. If you know, let me know. So we've got an overnight cream from The Works. We've got Ren Clean Skincare. This is Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. It removes makeup, SPF and pollution, and there's 15 mils there. This is a really nice cleanser. It takes a good squeeze to get it out. It's quite a thick sort of balmy jelly type formula. It is really nice though. It really does get rid of your makeup. I do like it. I did have a full size version, and yeah, I've had little mini ones in different boxes. Now and again, it just says gently massage a small amount for a few minutes over dry face and closed eyes. Add warm water to emulsify and rinse thoroughly. We've got a radiance-boosting face oil from the Apothecary range. This is Revive with rosehip oil, jojoba oil and avocado oil to rejuvenate and glow. And there's 30 mils there. That sounds really lovely. Deeply hydrating, radiance boosting face oil for smooth and plump skin, helps to replenish a tired complexion by restoring skin barrier function, clinically proven to hydrate the skin for up to 72 hours. And it's for all skin types. It's infused with an aromatherapeutic blend of eucalyptus, lavender, lemongrass and sandalwood essential oils. And then the last item in the box, we've got some perfumes, I think. These are from the Apothecary range. This is Wellbeing Fragrance Discovery, and it's 4 times 2 mils. Or are they little oils? I don't know. Look, see? What's it say here? An expertly blended perfume collection to soothe, comfort, uplift or calm, promoting well-being. Discover your favourite scent or spritz depending on your mood. And it says, spray onto your pulse points, and once dry, bring your nose close to the aroma and inhale. Repeat morning, evening, or anytime you need it. So we've got a scent to relax. Oh, I love this. I love this idea. Can you see there? A little bottle there. Ooh, that's nice. It's like a smoky smell. It doesn't tell you exactly what's in it. That is a nice smell. So that's to relax. This is to uplift, and it's called Breathe. Ooh! Sprayed my face. Ooh. Oh. I'm not going to describe them. I can't. It's alright. This is to comfort, and it's called Warmth. They're all going to be mixed in now. Ooh, I like that one. Yeah, I like that one. Last one, to calm, and this is called Ease. Hold on, that smells a bit like cannabis. Cannabis masked with nice aromatherapy oils. It's to calm. I don't know. I wouldn't go out and buy any of those, unfortunately. I don't think so anyway. It'd be interesting to use them for specific times when I want to relax, I want uplift, to comfort, to calm, to see if I notice a difference from using them. So I do love this little kit. I think it's really gorgeous. But yeah, I'm not that blown away by the actual scents where I would like to spray it on me, if you know what I mean. Maybe having them in my bag and spraying them on a tissue or something and like inhaling them. No, they're all mixed up. They're all mixed up together. I don't know. But yeah, so we've got a discovery collection there. And those are all the items inside this box. So I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a Neal's Yard Remedy, a foaming bath. We've got a L'Occitane lavender hand cream. We've got an Apothecary Revive radiance boosting face oil. Grand Clean skincare, oil jelly cleanser. We've got a NEOM Organics sleep mist. We've got a Deep Sleep Body Cocoon body cream from This Works. We've got a Deep Sleep overnight cream by This Works. I'm assuming it's another body cream, but it could be for your face. I'm not sure. And then we've got this little discovery set from the Apothecary range. So currently out of stock on their website, but as there are stock in stores, then you never know, they might release some more on their website. But I just thought I'd do this video to show you so that you can see exactly what's inside. The cost of the box is £25 and it has a value of £85. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you bought it? Or are you watching this thinking, do you know what? Nah, it's not for me. All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.